prime and load. We're not gonna do it by the numbers. He opens up his pan because when that's shut, it's kind of sealed. See, now he's biting a cartridge open. Now we don't have bullets in these cartridges. We just have gunpowder. Now wait, let's show him the gunpowder. Little black granules. Looks like sand, chunky sand. All right,
tastes like salt,
but it'll ignite, right? So then he shuts his pan. Now it's sealed in there. Watch it. See, he's casting it about. He's pouring the rest in. Now, in real life, he would ram that thing right down because the bullet would still be in there. Okay. He'll ram it down, but we don't use ramrods usually. And now he's ready. Watch this area right here first, and then you'll see the thing come out of the muzzle. But that's the key. This has got to spark and ignite. Okay, go ahead and go back to shoulder. All right, on my command. Everybody ready? Make ready. Take aim. Fire. So he had a spark, but it didn't ignite for some reason. How's your pan? You got enough powder in your pan?
I got enough powder.
Okay, it just didn't fall for whatever reason. I'm gonna try it again. Okay. He's now full of cock. Take aim. Fire. There you go. And you hear that split second delay.
Yeah.
Oh look, and he knocked him down. Now you smell the sulfur?
Yeah.
That's the nasty. Every time we come home, every time I go home, my wife and my, ew, you stink. Rotten eggs. Yeah, that's gunpowder. One more. We'll do one more.
All right.
Then I want them to check out the warmth. The muzzle will be a little warm by that. So that's what you do. You just spit them out. You got any questions?
No.
after like
How far
4
can the
or
musket
5
shoot?
shots, it gets really hot.
That thing could go a couple hundred
it's
yards,
really hot.
but it might not hit what it's aiming at. Most officers will reserve their fire to 100 yards or closer. Make ready. Take aim. Fire. Excellent. Well done, sir.
Well, I mean, he's
Shoulder
already dead.
fire locks. All right, now walk on over there and let them just feel the barrel and the heat of the barrel. I'm guessing it's starting to heat up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you can see the.
Oh yeah.
Because what you're doing each time is you're creating an explosion right in there, and after 5 or 6 shots, it gets to the point that you can't hold it. That is why the wood is there. The real reason this wood stock is there is so you can hold this barrel. Because if it wasn't, you'd have this hot eye of tube in your hand. After 3 shots, you couldn't hold it anymore. But this thing is dainty. It's very thin. The wood. This part you can club somebody with. This is hefty. But I've seen it all broken apart, and I was amazed that the wooden weapons we have over there are sturdier than this portion of the what we call the stock. Is lock, stock, and barrel. This is the lock. This wooden part's the stock, and then the barrel, of course, is the big tube. There you go.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm sorry about the confusion with the schedule.
No worries.
But you gotta kind of personalize.
That's awesome. Yeah, excellent. Appreciate that a
Awesome.
lot.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you guys.
My pleasure.